Welcome to this tutorial on creating a logout link for your WordPress site. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to your WordPress homepage. Once your site loads, locate the login option, which you will find at the top right corner of the page. This is your entrance to accessing the editing features on your site. After clicking the login option, you will be prompted with different methods of signing in. Choose to continue with your Google account by clicking the button that says Continue with Google. When you click this option, a list of your Google accounts will appear, and you can then pick the account you want to use for logging into WordPress. This smooth integration offers both convenience and security when accessing your account. Once you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section on the right side of your dashboard. In this section, locate the option that allows you to edit your site. Click on the Edit Site button, which will take you to the Site Editor interface. This interface is designed to let you customize different elements of your website, and today you will be modifying how users log out. Within the site editor, find the plus icon positioned at the top left corner of the screen. This icon is typically used for adding new blocks or elements to your page. Click on the plus icon to begin the process of inserting a new content element. A menu will appear prompting you to choose the type of element you wish to add. In the search bar or provided options, type the word paragraph to quickly locate the paragraph block. The paragraph element is a versatile content block that can be used to insert text, links, and other content onto your page. After you see the paragraph option appear, click on it to add the block to your site. You should now have a new paragraph block added to your layout. With the block in place, enter the text that you would like to use to represent the logout link. Once you have typed in your desired text, highlight it to prepare it for linking. The highlighting action will bring up a text formatting toolbar at the top of the editor. From this toolbar, locate the icon that represents linking. The link icon is usually depicted as a chain or a link symbol. Click on this icon to enable the insertion of a hyperlink into your text. A box or form field will appear where you can input the URL needed to log out. Type in your WordPress URL, followed by the appropriate extension or query string that facilitates logging out of your account. For instance, if your WordPress URL is yourwebsite.com, you may append the logout command at the end to ensure that users are logged out when they click the link. After you have entered your URL, review it to ensure that it correctly references your logout command. Then click on the link or save button within the editor interface to confirm and store your changes. The new logout link is now successfully integrated into your site. This streamlined process allows visitors to quickly log out of your WordPress account when needed. By following this step-by-step guide, you have now added a user-friendly logout link to your WordPress site, enhancing both the usability and security of your website. Enjoy the improved functionality and ease of access that this customization provides.